Today I'm going to show you how to add or update your Fiverr pricing and your packaging. So directly from this page, you're going to go up over here. It says My Business, go to Gigs, and here you will see all of your gigs. Now, whether they are they're requiring modifications, pending approval, if they're active, or if they're in draft, you can actually still edit them. So right over here, you'll see this is the one. At the end, there's a little drop-down menu. Click on Edit. It'll open up a new window, and here you can see at the top, we've got all of those categories again. Nothing has changed because it's still in edit mode. Click over here on Save and Continue. Here you can change the pricing and your packages. So let's say you want to have more packages, or you just want to change small details. Go ahead, make the changes. Once you've made the changes, go ahead, click on Save and Continue. You will now see it'll move over to the next category, and you can continue until you get to the end where you can publish, or you can just go ahead and say save. This will basically just save everything on all of these pages. And once you're done, all of these changes will now have taken effect, and you'll be able to see this back on your gigs page over here. And once it's been approved, then it will then be in the active list over here and visible to potential clients.